There's increasing turmoil over Tim Carmody's promotion to Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The President of the Bar Association has quit in protest. But Mr Carmody has delivered a strong message to his detractors. Here's state political reporter Chris O'Brien.
His critics say it's not personal, but it obviously hurts.
Lucky they did like me. What would they have said if they didn't?
As a former counsel assisting the Fitzgerald inquiry, he's offended to be criticised by his old boss.
That was 25 years ago. What do you think? I'm still a law clerk and he's still the big boss?
A day after his appointment, no one from the Supreme Court bench had congratulated Tim Carmody for becoming their boss. And he's run out of patience with the attacks.
No one knows whether I'm up to it or not until I've done it. Just hold fire, see how I go before you give me a report card.
Far from holding fire, his appointment is causing upheaval in legal circles. Peter Davis QC has resigned as president of the Queensland Bar Association. In a statement he says there was little, if any, support for the appointment of Tim Carmody within the legal profession and little or none within the ranks of sitting Supreme Court judges. Mr Davis also says somebody told Judge Carmody about a meeting he had with the Attorney-General Jared Blay 10 days ago. As I have no faith in the integrity of the process, I cannot engage further in it. Mr Blay says he won't engage in what he calls rumour and innuendo. The former Labor Attorney-General Cameron Dick says Mr Carmody's position is now becoming untenable.
Judge Carmody does not have the confidence of senior members of the legal profession.
Mr Blay says senior lawyers attended the announcement of Judge Carmody's elevation.
Many senior members of the profession, both the Law Society branch and the Bar, who were out supporting him. So I've got no doubt he'll build those bridges. He'll be a fantastic Chief Justice, one that Queenslanders can look up to.
I wish I didn't have to knock on their door and say, "Hi, I'm your new Chief Justice, are we friend or foe?" But I will. And I'll do that because that's what leaders do.
But which of them will attend Judge Carmody's swearing-in next month? Chris O'Brien, ABC News, Brisbane.